forming present simple tense with the help of verb to work. Then we will talk about affirmative form of present simple tense, negative, interrogative, and interrogative plus question words. Let's see how we proceed. He works. Its negative form is he does not work. Interrogative, does he work? And with question words, why does he work? Likewise, we have she works, she does not work. Does she work? Where does she work? We continue. It works, it does not work. Does it work? How does it work? And singular noun. Tom works, Tom does not work. Does Tom work? When does Tom work? I work, I do not work. Do I work? Why do I work? We work, we do not work. Do we work? Where do we work? We continue. They work, they do not work. Do they work? When do they work? Now we have the plural noun. Men work, men do not work. Do men work? How do men work? These are 34 structures of present simple tense. You can replace the word work with any other verbs of your choice, and you can make sentences as many as you like. Forming past simple tense with the help of the verb to work. We'll talk about affirmative form of past simple tense, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with question words. Let's see. The first sentence is he worked in the affirmative form. Its negative form is he did not work. Did he work? Why did he work? We have the next sentence. She worked. She did not work. Did she work? Where did she work? We continue. It worked. It did not work. Did it work? How did it work? Now with singular noun. Tom worked. Tom did not work. Did Tom work? When did Tom work? I worked. I did not work. Did I work? Why did I work? We continue our discussion. We worked. We did not work. Did we work? Where did we work? They worked. They did not work. Did they work? When did they work? You worked. You did not work. Did you work? How did you work? Men worked. Men did not work. Did men work? How did men work? What we notice in this particular tense is that whether your subject is singular, like he, she, it, and singular noun, or whether you have plural subjects, we always use in the affirmative form, second form of the verb. And in the negative, interrogative, and question words, we use did. These are the total number of structures we can form in the past simple tense with the help of the word work. You can replace this word with any other verb of your choice and can make as many sentences as you like. Forming future simple tense with the infinitive to work. We have the affirmative form of future simple tense, negative, interrogative, and interrogative with question words. Let's see how this idea is developed. He will work. The negative form is he will not work. Will he work? Why will he work? She will work. She will not work. Will she work? Where will she work? It will work. It will not work. Will it work? How will it work? Tom will work. Tom will not work. Will Tom work? When will Tom work? I will work. I will not work. Will I work? Why will I work? We will work. We will not work. Will we work? Where will we work? They will work. They will not work. Will they work? When will they work? You will work. You will not work. Will you work? How will you work? And the last structure is with plural noun. Men will work. Men will not work. Will men work? How will men work? So these are the total number of structures of future simple tense with the infinitive to work. You can replace the word work with any other verb of your choice, and you can make as many sentences as possible in the future simple tense. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.